Slang of the Day, Special Edition. Today, we're learning 6 awesome English slang phrases you can use right away. Let's go. 1. On cloud 9, meaning very happy. Example, she's been on cloud 9 since she got the job offer. 2. Bend over backwards, meaning to try very hard to help someone. Example, the hotel staff bent over backwards to make our stay comfortable. 3. Cut to the chase, meaning skip the small talk and get to the main point. Example, we don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase. 4. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed. Example, I'm really tired. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. 5. Spill the tea, meaning share the gossip or juicy news. Example, come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party? 6. Bite the bullet, meaning decide to do something difficult or unpleasant. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I'll bite the bullet and make an appointment. And that's your slang of the day special. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to learn new slang every single day, hit subscribe and join us.